Hello, I'm Ron Mullet, and today I'm going to show you how to straighten a warped 5-foot long board using playing cards. So let's get started. I made the sled with a melamine board and attached a cleat to the end of it. Now you can see that this board is really warped. So what I'm going to do is take playing cards, put them in the gaps between the board and the sled, and this will support it so that when it runs through the planer, it will hit the high spots on the board and plane one side perfectly flat. I add a cleat at the other end to help hold the board secure onto the sled. All the metal surfaces in your shop should be waxed. I use wax paper. Just take some and put it out, crumple it up, and rub it all over the surface. Your table saw, your band saw, the planer bed. I even use it on the bottom of the planer sled I just made. This will make them nice and slick, and it also prevents rust. Now let's run these things through the planer. If you're going to run a long board, this is a 6-foot long planer sled, you need an outfield support like this that I'm using as a roller. I ran this through the planer, I believe 3 times, and it took all the very high spots off of the one side. Now I remove the cleat from the one end of the board. And then remove all of the playing cards. One thing I like about the playing cards is that they're wide and flat, and it gives it more support over more of the board. That is a flat surface. Run that thing through the planer and you've got a totally flat board. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button below and check out some of my other videos. I think you'll enjoy them.